Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad, and today we're going to talk about AMZY, MSTY, NVDY, and I'm going to even talk about CONY this time because I was just curious about CONY this week, and I threw the graph in, see what they did. So first of all, AMZY. Let's talk about Amazon. Got up this morning, my wife goes, hey, maybe I'll go work for Amazon. They need to hire 250,000 employees. So they're having labor issues. Went out, Seeking Alpha, affiliate link down below. Finally got my affiliate link and looked at Seeking Alpha. And they talked about the same thing on this weekend. Amazon is having employee issue, and not employee issue. It's not really an employee issue. It's getting staffed correctly for the holidays. We're going to see a big uptick in shipping, and they're trying to staff up. Knowing that they need 250,000 employees in this tough market might be, challenging for them. And it's going to bring down unemployment. So it's a double whammy there because they're hiring 250,000 employees. But this week's strikes, they sold the 190 and they bought the 195. Last week it was the 192.50. This week they sold the 190. So hey, it's all good. I don't think that we'll hit 190 this week. It's coming weeks when they do earnings. That's going to be the week that we really need to watch for AMZY. Earnings week, and what does Yieldmax do with their call rating? Let's talk about NVDY. Time of this recording, they sold the 123, they sold the 127, they bought the 131. Well, it's already went through the 123. It's already gone through the 127. So hopefully we get through that 131 so we can start seeing more appreciation to the fund. Don't know, but hey, we're going to collect the revenue and hopefully this continues to climb. We'll see how this works out for them. The big question of the week I have is MSTY. I get up this morning and I watch MSTY right through the strike. It didn't even take 15 minutes after opening and we were past that strike that they rode on Friday at 182.50. So where does it end up? Do they do something this week to write something? I went and looked at intraday trades. They haven't changed anything. They didn't close anything. They didn't open anything back up. I'm expecting them to do something because MSTY went right through the strike and we're not going to be capturing anything besides time decay, right? But that's minimum when you're starting to see multiple dollars above strike. And the last one is CONY. CONY is interesting because they were able to sell CONY at 190. So they have tons of room. So they sold the 190, 192.50, and 195. There's tons of room on CONY for CONY to go up this week. And that's CONY is the underlying. So CONY shouldn't have any problems with their strikes. They should not have anything go through. But hey, we'll watch it. Maybe this week on Wednesday when I do the Round Hill Roundup at midweek. Maybe I'll throw in at the end what happened to MSTY and any of these others if they change anything between now and midweek. But hey, all mine are up and I can't complain. I'm getting huge distributions and we'll see how this all works out for us. Until next time, God bless.